squirrel in a long time, y'all. I'm so excited to see it is back. What is it eating? I don't know. Maybe a pig off the tree. Maybe it found the right one that I didn't even know about. They smart doing that. Maybe it was up at the top, y'all. Who knows? But anyway, I love observing squirrels, y'all. Too cute. Something to make me smile today. Hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day no matter where you are in the world. Love you all. If we just stand still, we can enjoy beautiful things like this squirrel. Bye.